came via Germany to Denmark. And still nowadays, we have the same religion. There are important moments of a Dane's life where they go to the church. So the first one is the baptism. Then when they are young, about 12 years old, they have confirmation. So it's a we can say a ritual where they have to wear white, and they go to the church and confirm that their belief in God. And it's a popular thing to do, even though many young people don't go to the church and don't really study religion so much. Almost all the young Danes go and get confirmed. And then, of course, the wedding, if they choose to get married at the church. And they go to the Mass at least once a year for Christmas. A lot of Danes have this tradition to go to the Mass for Christmas. And now we are at Kongens Nytorv,